Good morning. It is 5:29 a.m. I look sexy in the shadow of the background. Yeah, so woke up to try and catch the early train. Gonna meet Shane today. It's gonna be a fun day. Fun. We walk in name and stalking up to freedom. The trains are coming, the train is here, walking away from home. So I'm here on the bus ride, going to Nagashima.
It's gonna be so fun.
He's so cute. Yes, up. Cute? Not so cute.
I'm so cute, right?
Cute. Not so cute.
No,
I have good face.
you can only go for 2 months.
What do you mean for 2
You can only climb it for.
I'm getting my Rosa Parks on right now because I'm the only black person on the bus. And Shane would have let us walk for 2 hours to get there. But thank God for the awesome cats who know she's awesome.
Yes.
She's pretty awesome, actually. Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Yes, exactly.
You're so fancy.
I'm black? Brother.
Brother.
So I taught her a word today. Brother. Yes, brother.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, this is cool. But I don't want to be her brother. You know what I'm saying, right, Shane? Give me some poundage, bro. Alright, so I can't see you. Oh, so here we're in where are we again? Nagashima. Spaland. Oh yeah, look at her. I gotta hug her. She's so cute. She's my crush for the week.
Crush for the week, only for the week.
Well, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's a long week. Long week. Yeah. So we're here. Steel Dragon is the longest. Longest roller coaster in the world. So we're gonna go on it, and I'm not going on it. I'm gonna watch them.
You said you were gonna go on it. You're going on it, love.
Yeah, I'm totally going on it because I can't pay money and not go.
Yeah, you can't pay money and not go.
And then maybe this will be the longest crush of the week. If you want her to stay, please vote at 555-241. So
Cute girl.
One cute girl, kawaii. Cute girl.
805, cute girl.
Cute girl.
Not the white side. We're about to go on the big.
So me and Shane people at the same time. Same time, but she likes Shane more because she knows Shane longer. So we're doing the same time because Shane is filming.
We're going on the
I gotta-
longest roller coaster in the world.
This is his commentary. Look at mine. This is my cutie.
Yeah, only for a week, man.
No, I was just saying that I didn't want to sound like listen, my black brethren, do not go on a roller coaster if you think you'll pass out.
Vertical hang, like looking at the ground.
Oh my god.
And then it drops you.
That's so cool.
Okay,
And
we're gonna
the
ride.
one where you're hanging is scarier
Oh.
because the track's on top of you.
Mother
If you're
heifer.
facing the ground, you don't see track.
Why don't black people learn?
The crazy mouse. Those ones are funny because they're just like, woo! You spin yourself. It goes pretty fast for a small one.
It's okay, I ain't going on that either.
They have the same feeling though.
Here we go! I didn't know! As a mother, soaked from head to toe. That was a fun ride, yo man. This is crazy. A little bit. We did like two rides. We did the Steel Dragon, which I'm not going on ever again, and we did the paper shoot thingy. So as you can see, I'm soaked. So Shane tricked me, man, and I'm not really pleased about that. But we had my hands are still shaking. You can see, nervous. So hopefully I don't have like a nervous breakdown. We're gonna try another roller coaster later. So maybe, you know what I mean. But it's really interesting though that you would talk about things. I know that. What the hell, son of! Shit. Great. Let's go, Shane. Whoa, brother Shane. Look at Kaz behaving like a old hooligan. Yeah, she lives for this. Safe.
What's noisy?
Heading home. We're in Nagoya. We had some food to eat at the Nepalese place. The Shane recommended it's really dope. Y'all need to check it out. And then Kaz says, I don't have good face.
I don't have a good face.
I don't have a good face.
You?
That's what you said a while ago.
Nice?
Nice? I don't know what she's saying. Sometimes I can't understand. So there's like a lost in translation. Just like how when I'm speaking to her, she's like, eh? No? Ah!
Yes, brother.
Yes, brother.
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 Ah, there we go. So she's going to Jamaica in the next 2 years. Look out for her. She's going to be a superstar.
Yes, brother.